about vehicles patrolling Vasco town. In fact, I personally also go around along with the duty officer on rounds, and we have apprehended persons who create public nuisance. Last year we took nearly 217 persons. Now for the current 5 months we have arrested almost 950 persons. So we will continue our drive against illegal activities regarding cars which are parked here and there, thereby causing public nuisance, and we will ensure that public are not put to any inconvenience.
पालिकेचो सीओ सांगता उपरांत ऑफिस बंद म्हूण पालिका खंय कांयच एक्शन घेवंक पावना.
There are complaints saying that most of the business activities are running illegally after sunset, and they are encroaching on the public pathways and disturbing the public from on the pavements. So after 6:30 I cannot take any action because our office gets over by 6:30. But however, I have written a letter to the PI Vasco to take stringent action against those illegal traders who come on the road, because public pathways and roads should not be blocked at any cost. We have to maintain these footpaths from any encroachment.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नाईक.